Alright guys, today I'm going to be going over my latest collection of Pokemon. Today I got Charizard. I got 2 of these shenanigans. Yeah! Okay. Stop it. Don't stop. Keep on. So obviously, I got the catcher's mask. On me? Yeah, I got 2. I mean, I got connects and shit. I ain't trying to, show off or nothing. You said a connect? Supreme? Yeah, I got it. Look, I got 2. Oh, you can only get 1. You got 1? Oh. No, that's cool. That's cool. I got 2. But I'm only review 1 because they both the same thing. You know what I mean? Let's see what's up. Ooh, this is fly though. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, if y'all ain't noticed, yeah, I copped some Hellraiser. Keep fronting like y'all don't like it. It's cause y'all don't know how to rock it. You feel me? You gotta have style. That's another video for y'all though about what I cop on Hellraiser. But for now, you feel me? You freaking know me? It got the Supreme on the bottom, right under, which is nice. With the rolling right coming down, Velcro. You can change the size. I like that. That's cool. I don't play baseball, but I done played baseball before. I used to play for the Michael Music League, you feel me? Alright. It got Supreme on the top, a little box logo. Ooh! Alright, what else I got? The head strap on the back. Cause sometimes like catchers, they wear it like this, like just backwards. They got the Supreme on the back for them to show it off. They looking out, don't front, they looking out. Something about it that I like is that it's really good quality. I mean, I knew it would be, I expected it because it's made by Rawlings, which is the top brand for baseball products. I didn't expect nothing less. It's really strong. Like, you could actually wear this in a game, like, dead ass. You could dead ass play in a Supreme catcher's mask. Like, who's not copping this? If you play baseball, you gotta cop this. I would bat with this. You feel me? Like, you can adjust it on the sides right here. Alright, y'all, I don't have time, so I'm not gonna zoom in for y'all. I'm lying. That's messed up. I got time. I'm gonna zoom in just like in every one of my videos. I got y'all, bro. I ain't gonna do y'all like that. I'll be mad grimy, right? I'm gonna zoom in. Y'all gonna see everything detailed, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna have it on some weird, you feel me? Y'all gonna get the... You're ready!
Saturday, I feel like taking a PJ. Fly to be on a weekday. Eating ceviche. Like $500,000 inside of my briefcase. A couple of free split. And they don't speak English. But the money is something that they can complete it. And I got bread like I'm Green Day. I come around and their hair's turn. Used to like bitches with hair perm. Now I like it natural. Actual, not this shit. Bougie still do ratchet shit. Not afraid to pass the clip.
Alright, B, I gotta show some type of love. That's for sure. That's a fizz, nah. You gotta show some love. Subscribe, like, follow me on Instagram at Prince Fiorentino. It's gonna be in the info. You already know that. What else? Another one. Comment on my videos. I will reply. For sure. For sure. We out. Let's get it.
Saturday, I feel like taking a PJ. Fly to be on a weekday. Eating ceviche. Like $500,000 inside of my briefcase. A couple of free split. And they don't speak English. But the money is something that they can complete it. And they got bread like I'm Green Day. I come around and their hair's turn. Used to like bitches with hair perm. Now I like it.